Hello, so today we have another makeup and skincare mystery bag, and this is the bag. Let's open it. So first of all, there is a tote bag. It just says keep it cute, and the brand Pink Panda. So I'm gonna use this one. And let's see the products. First of all, we have a nail polish. It's of the brand Lovely, and it's called Back to School Nail Polish, and it's brown. And like I said in the last video, I don't use nail polish, so yeah. And this is the first product. Let's see the next one. Then we have this Revolution Skincare London X gel juice, maybe. I'm not sure how to read this. But yeah, it's a tropical quench essence spray visage essence tropical. It's vegan and cruelty free, so it's just a spray. And let's try it. Yeah, it smells like coconut and maybe mango. I don't know, it's very summery smell. And I see coconut and mango here, so yeah. It smells nice, I'm gonna try it. Next we have this, it's of the brand Sinus, anti-dark spot face cream. So it says, with powerful vitamin C content, it brightens the skin. It also supports preventing formation of skin blemishes due to UV damage. The formula contains vitamin B3, which is also effective against blemishes, licorice root, and sea daffodil. Panthenol, alanine, pentavitine, and sodium PCA improve the skin texture, gives intense moisturize and softness. Natural oils and peptides provide strong support to the skin. The formula is specially designed for an effective care on the skin. And yeah, let's open it. So this is how the cream looks like. It goes like this, so let's open it. It smells kind of like medicine, but not a bad one. It doesn't smell bad, it's just a little bit like medicine. Or sunscreen. So this is this, and the last product is Mayani's Magic Lip Oil. Create your unique magic shape. So Mayani Magic Lip Oil adapts to the lips to create your unique magic shape. Its innovative green formula transforms upon contact with lips to deliver a unique lip color that's all your own. So it's like the let's open it. So it's like the magic lipstick I use of the same brand, but it's just a lip balm. So I'm interested to try this one. So it looks like this. And it smells nice. It smells like kind of like bubble gum. So it's not turning pink or purple yet, but I guess it needs time. So yeah, this is from the last video. I'm shooting them one after another, so I forget to wash it off. But yeah, anyway. So this is the magic lip oil. It will need more time, but yeah, it's like the lipstick. You can see the lipstick is here still, and I'm interested to try it. But yeah, let's see all the products. So with this pack, I'm actually pretty happy, except for the black nail polish. I mean, it's not black, it's brown. The nail polish. I'm just not using nail polish, but the other three I will try and use probably. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. And bye!